This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson's part of the Express course and Course C. It is lesson 26 in the Express course, lesson 12 in Course C. Build a Flappy Game Puzzle 10. To mix things up, instead of ending the game when Flappy hits an obstacle, try setting the score back to 0. Okay, so we need to look for that event, right? When hit obstacle in game. So instead of doing that, I'll get rid of that to make it not do that. And then I'm going to do, there's set score, and I'll attach that. So now when I hit an obstacle, it should set my score to 0. And my speed's normal. Maybe I'll do this. We changed that early on. Let's do random. All right, cool. Whoa. I don't think I've gotten a point yet. Oh, and I hit that obstacle. Ah, alright. Well, it works. Let's keep going.